Welcome to the virtual SMU PhD Open House 2021. This event is a virtual event that consists of both microsite and a 360 VR platform provided by iSmart support. First, you need to sign up to get your account. Fill in the registration form and select your program of interest and which webinar sessions you would like to attend. After you have successfully registered, fill in your registered email and password at the login page to enter the event. Click on your name on the top right to view more details about your account, such as your programs of interest and your registered webinars. You can just click on the Join button to watch the selected webinar.
PhD program, it is a US-style program, by which I mean that you have 2 years of coursework, and then you have typically 3 years of research.
What's more amazing is that you can have a virtual campus tour by clicking on the 360 icon on the right. You can explore around the campus of SMU with all 360 angle. You can also read more articles and blogs of the SMU blog by clicking on the blog stories icon. If you want to know more about the flow and directions of the event, you can click on the user guide button and a full user guide in PDF will pop up and show you the way. If you are tired of reading, you can also click on the user guide video to watch a complete video of that explain further for you about the flow of the event. You are all set and ready to participate in the event. Click on the door button to enter the event, and you will be directed to the exterior of the lobby. Then click the door button again to enter to the lobby. After you have entered the lobby, you can click on the event highlights on the top right to view about past or upcoming event. If you want to have a soft copy of the full program, you can just click download full program to download the PDF. There's a mini-map function for you to access to that particular location that you want to explore. Simply click on the buttons on the map to direct to that place. You can click on the webinars button on the right to view more information about the webinars. You can have a quick look about the speaker's profile and register for that speaker's session. At the meeting room, you can join different networking sessions via Zoom, based on first-come, first-served basis. During the webinar session, you can have discussion with other people that is also interested in the same course.
And my advisor knew it well, so he would allow me to first take classes for sure, and then I would spend the rest of my time doing research. But I feel like during my first 2 years, he would be very patient, and he gave me a lot of guidance because he knew that I'm new to academia, I'm new to doing research projects.
After you have finished the webinar session, you can visit the booths in the exhibition hall. There are 6 different booths in the exhibition hall. Visit your desired booth by clicking on the booth. If you would like to make an appointment with the operator to understand more about the programs, you only have to select your preferred date and time upon clicking on the appointment button. After that, just fill in your personal details to schedule the appointment. After you have understand about the programs that you wish to take part in, just apply for the program. When you have entered the auditorium, there are videos that are ready for you to watch. You just have to select your videos in the middle of the auditorium and play the videos on the screen. There are more than 5 videos to be played, so don't miss out other videos by clicking the arrow button and watch other videos. Thank you for your time by watching this video.